Hi, my name is Scott. I just finished the Elite Marketing Academy with Phil Graham and Sam Carlson. And I just want to kind of, give a testimonial here because it was great. I mean, it's helped me out tremendously. Basically, if you want to find clients without cold calling, without spam emailing people, then this is for you. I mean, they tell you strategies that nobody else teaches. I mean, it's just amazing the information that you get from this course alone. I mean, it's unlike anybody else's courses that I've been in. And I mean, these are real people. They really care about you, and they really help you get from A to B, from getting, clients here and there to getting the clients you need to build your business. I think Phil Graham says that Mark Cuban says that you don't really have a business unless you have a process that generates clients, on demand. Something you can use when you need clients, you turn it on. When you don't need clients, you turn it off. And that is exactly what you'll learn in this course. I mean, I highly recommend anything from Phil Graham or Sam Carlson. I mean, they are class acts. So that's it. Hope you sign up, and I will see you on the inside.